Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about three different job opportunities in three different companies. What is the qualification and eligibility and year of passing? I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started. So first company is MDocs. When you'll click on the apply link, MDocs apply link, then you'll find this page. Here you can see job role is software engineer associate and graduate. Job location will be in Pune. Here you can see qualification. Qualification is either BE, BTech, MTech, ME, MCA. Stream should be ENTC, CSE, IT, ENC only. You should have at least 60% throughout, and you should not have any education gap. Your year of passing should be only 2021. When you'll click here, apply now, then you'll find this page. Let the page reload. Yeah, this page here you can upload your resume, email ID, password, everything, all the details, fill all the things. After that, apply here. Okay, once you will apply and if you are eligible, then you will receive online exam link within a few days. Now second job opportunity is from Square Off. So for Square Off, year of passing should be 2022, 2021, 2020 or 2019. So here you can see job location will be in Mumbai. Package will be 4 LPA. Last date to apply is 27 November. And here only one skill should be required. If you are good in Java, then you can apply. And there is no degree required. Okay, just if you have skill of Java, then you can apply. There is no skill, no degree required. So how to apply? Just click here apply, then proceed with fill your resume. Then okay, once you if you have already made your resume on Internsala, then you just need to click here apply, then submit the form. Okay, just click here. So this is the step. Now third job opportunity is from SAS Global. So SAS Global is hiring freshers, and your qualifications should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech with computer background only. Computer background only means computer science or IT field. And your year of passing should be 60% and throughout the graduation. And your year of passing should be 2021 or 2020. And how to apply? Just click here apply now. When you click here, then you have need to enter your email ID, then click next, then fill all the form, then click on submit. Once you will submit the form and you are eligible, then you will receive online exam link within few days. Now dear friends, well, today I have some exciting news for you. Relevel has announced that all the tests have been made free of cost in order to give candidates access in 2000 plus job across top companies. So your search for finding right job now ends with Relevel. So if you want to work in big MNCs, and the Relevel is here, you just need to give Relevel exam, then you are just you are done. Okay, just take Relevel exam. So how to take Relevel exam? There are four steps. First one is sign up for Relevel website, and I'll probably link in the description box, and I'll tell you how to apply. Don't worry. Second step is just select your dream job, like business development, front end development or back end development. And third one is just book a free slot, and slots are limited, so I suggest you book it fast. And last one is click book test and confirm your slot for the test. All rounds of the test will be completed in a single day, and you will get your score within a week. So now after that, once you will qualify the re-level test based on your score, you will create your amazing re-level profile, which will then be shared with the companies for further process. And so if you will perform well in the in the re-level exam, then you will get access to the 50 plus companies, and including 1000 plus job opportunities in business development, front end development, in back end development. And they are providing for at least 4 LP for non-tech roles and 6 LP for tech roles. People are getting packages up to 15 LP as well, and completely online, and can be taken from comfort of your home. And the best part of that, you can take the test for free so test in a single day of your choice and get your re-level score within a week. Now let me show the few re-level companies, few top startups which are hiring through re-level. So first one is Cred, Meso, Jupiter Pay, here Upgrade, lot of big companies. Here you can see all the big companies. If you want to work in these companies, what you need to do, just you need to take re-level exam today, and you can give exam in any one of the your best choice. Like you can give your exam in front end development, back end development, or business development. Okay, so this is very very big opportunity for you. Now let me tell you, for re-level achievers. So this is the re-level achievers Twitter page. Here you can see uh, they are the re-level achievers. So if you will if you'll score more than 700 marks, I mean if you more than 700 marks out of 1000 marks, it means if you score more than 70% marks, if you score more than 70% marks, then you will get access to the lot of companies, and you will be eligible to take the interview in big MNCs. After that, if you will perform well in the interview, then you will have job offer. So you just need to score at least 700 marks out of 1000 marks. So here you can see they are the re-level achievers. This is Anubhav. He scored 748 marks out of 1000 marks, and he got job opportunities in sales executive. Here you can see this is others, and here you can see there are a lot of achievers, re-level achievers. Here you can see this is Athav. He scored 855 marks out of 1000, and now he got job in software engineering. So you can see there are lot of yearly level achievers. So what are you waiting for? So just give a re-level exam today. And here one more thing, if you don't know about re-level, then let me tell you, there are some benefits about re-level. So what are the benefits? So re-level benefits are, I already told you, like you can get packages up to 6 LPA plus, okay, for tech roles, and you can get up to 15 LPA as well. Now here one more thing, the link is in the description, and there is no age or experience limit for eligibility. If you are 18 plus or 40 years of age, you can attempt the re-level test and to get a 50 plus hike for your next job in the best product based companies. These jobs are not limited to BTech or MBA degree candidates. Anyone can apply as long as they are 18 plus age of experience, having experience. Okay, so these jobs are not limited for this. So now how to apply, let me tell you. Once you'll find link in the description box, then you need to click here get hired. Okay, when you click here get hired, after that you can choose your dream job, like front end, back end, business development. Let's click here, select. After that you need to click here book your free slot. After that, what you need to do, you just need to click enter your mobile number, then you'll receive an OTP. Once you'll receive an OTP, then uh, once you submit, then you will need to fill this form. Once you will fill this form, after that you will see here, you can see your name here, like I can see my name. Once you will log in here, then click here book a free slot. After that you can select your tech stack, like you can choose Python, Java, anything else. Okay, like just I want to choose Java. Click here, then click continue. When you'll click continue, then here you can select your test date, like 31 2 number 3rd number. Let's click here 2 number. After that, click here next. Once you click here next, then you can see slot booked successfully for 2 number. But here you can see your to complete your admit card, you need to enter fill details. Okay, just fill some details and click on the save. Okay, so these are the some steps. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box how to give re-level exam. Don't worry. And yeah, if you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe this channel for more such videos.